If you're considering a premium robot vacuum that goes beyond the basics, the Roborock Saros 10 might just be what you're looking for. With a sleek design, high-end features, and powerful performance, it aims to deliver a truly hands-free cleaning experience. In this video, we'll break down the key advantages to help you decide if it's the right fit for your home. If you're interested, you'll find a purchase link in the description. The Saros 10 brings an impressive set of features that make it stand out in a crowded market. Its duo-divide brush system is especially useful for households with pets or long-haired residents, virtually eliminating hair tangles that can slow down or clog other vacuums. The robot's low profile allows it to reach under beds and sofas with ease, making it more thorough in everyday cleaning. One of the most convenient features is its automatic mop pad removal and reattachment system, which keeps carpet dry without requiring manual input, an innovation that truly sets it apart. The LED headlight is a small but smart addition, helping the vacuum navigate in dimly lit and dark environments. And the fast charging means it's back in action sooner than most competitors. With multiple color options, it also adds a touch of personalization to match your home style. All in all, the Roborock Saros 10 offers powerful performance, convenience, focused design, and thoughtful technology that makes cleaning easier and more effective. If you're looking to invest in a high-end robotic vacuum that checks all the boxes, the Saros 10 is a top-tier choice worth considering.